reading for pleasing ourselves.
Yes.
Reading has many steps. One of the steps is for pleasure, and to take to read, to read something, and after reading we can develop understanding skill.
Reading for pleasure.
अच्छे पठन के लिए क्या आवश्यक है? आप अच्छा पढ़ना कैसे सिखाएंगे बच्चों को? जब उसके अंदर श्रवण और भाषण का अच्छा कौशल उत्पादन होगा तब वो पढ़ना सीखेगा, अच्छा सुनेगा। जब शिक्षक अच्छा पढ़ाएंगे, शुद्धोच्चारण का अभ्यास करवाएंगे,
शिक्षक अच्छा कब पढ़ाएंगे?
जब वो खुद पढ़ेगा,
लर्निंग मटेरियल्स जिसको बोलते हैं,
मटेरियल का श्रवण से कोई संबंध ही नहीं है। श्रवण कौशल का विकास किस स्तर
अब ये सब सही है।
किस स्तर पर होना है? श्रवण कौशल का
connect our ear with our eyes. It is called listening or reading. वो होना चाहिए। हम अपना आँख और कान दोनों का इस्तेमाल करेंगे।
सर अच्छे श्रवण कौशल का विकास कैसे होगा? ऑडियो सुना करके
नहीं।
उसको इंटरेस्ट दे करके आप अपने से सुनाइए ना उसको, अच्छे तरीके से सुनाइए। धर्मेंद्र जी का रख दीजिएगा सम्मान। इतना लगता है 2 किलो हो रही हो नहीं
Okay, continue, sir.
We have to increase reading competency. It means we should be well versed in reading and understanding. Yes. Wherever we are. Yes. It is not necessary that we are teachers, so our reading competency must be strong. It is not necessary. If you are
Now that talks what are the things required for reading? Reading के लिए क्या-क्या जरूरी है?
to understand the language,
रेफरेंस और नॉन रेफरेंस दोनों चाहिए।
सर ये कौन सी रीडिंग की बात है? आप कौन सी कहाँ रेफरेंस चाहिए? रेफरेंस आपको इतिहास के लिए चाहिए। आपको इतिहास के लिए रेफरेंस चाहिए। हम 2 क्लास के बच्चे को रीडिंग
सर एक डिक्शनरी जो होता है,
आप 2 क्लास के बच्चे को अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहे हैं, उसके लिए आप रेफरेंस बुक रखेंगे।
टीएम नहीं है, टीएम की तरीके में
आप उसको रेफरेंस नहीं, आप उसमें जो चित्र दिए गए हैं उसके अंदर जागृत करिए ना।
रीडिंग से प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी बढ़ता है।
जिस स्तर पर पढ़ा रहे हैं उस स्तर के हिसाब से उसका उच्चारण करके बताइए, वो जरूरी है। उच्चारण कौशल का विकास करेंगे तभी चीजें हो जाएंगी।
कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ता है। हमारे रिसोर्ट पर हमको वही बोलने दिया जाए,
ज्ञान बचा के रखा जाए।
यस
on very third slide, suppose where am I? Then the answer is that I am on the third slide. Yes, I am explaining the matter which is in the third slide.
Yes.
Okay. So what is there? I am trying to explain to you.
Yes, sir.
The reading competence. Yes. If you have no competency, you cannot be able to answer the question of English paper, English subject, first section. In every question paper of CBSE board, there are 3 sections now. Earlier it was 4 sections. That is the reading section.
पूछ लेता कि
And after that, grammar and writing writing section together,
कि हमसे
and that is literature. Okay? Yes. So we must try to understand. We must try to understand a given passage or given instruction, easily and with not much effort. Then we can decide that it is very good thing.
There is a format of Zoom ID, password and mobile number. Please fill one by one. Yes, sir. Carry on.
The next thing is that next thing is that where do you find the opportunities to increase the reading skill? है ना, madam? Monali second ma'am. Where do you find the opportunities
Download it.
to read, है ना, the articles, instruction, or any topic in our daily life, not only school? है ना? Where do you find?
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Yes.
From magazine, from novels.
Yes.
And any.
Yes. At medical shop, है ना, and when we purchase medicine, some instructions are given, है ना, or purchasing some articles from general shop, है ना, we at least try to know what is its date of expiry, है ना, so at that time
One of
also.
the activity I have done in childhood, went to write anywhere on the show,
Yes.
on the shop.
हाँ.
That is the time I was read.
Yes.
What name of the shop and what is the writing on the.
Very good. Very good. है ना.
The brain में वो आने लगता है ये सोचना ना जैसे जैसे आज मैं लिखूँ आपका नाम है ये चीज़ है बचपन में यहाँ ये चीज़ है मतलब अपने आप को रिड्यूस कर लिया.
So, in our life, we get a lot of opportunity to comprehend the language. Our Honorable Sir, here. So I welcome to our Honorable Sir.
Yes, sir.
In his presence, our this very session will be very fruitful. So, opportunities where we find to have reading skill, to show our reading skill, that is newspaper. Sir, please. Newspaper, some instructions written on the medicine, bottle or something there. So, when we purchase articles from the shops, there also we get opportunity. So these are the things where we find exposure of the reading skill.
Yes, sir.
So in general life, we require a special reading competency to understand it in the very short period.
And CBSE also, sir.
हाँ.
CBSE emphasizes that there should be a competency-based education.
Yes.
So, in that particular case, competency-based education or competency-based learning,
Yes.
this reading skill will help you out.
Yes.
Sir, in each subject, 15 minutes times have been allotted by the CBS.
Yes.
So that is also a part of reading competency.
Okay.
Yes.
All students must be competent enough how to read the question paper, how to understand
15 minutes times are allotted.
What are the
Yes.
destinations?
No, if the student is very well versed
Yeah.
in reading, then automatically he will have surplus time. He can have the time more for solving the question paper.
Yes.
So reading is essential. You must be well versed in reading. Now the questions rises, what types of readings are there? What types of readings are there? There are some particular types. For example, one reading is intensive reading. Please, intensive reading. After that, extensive reading. Intensive and extensive.
There are two terms.
There are Yes, skimming and scanning. There are these another terms. These terms are another terms. So, if we think about these four terms, we should try to know what is intensive reading. So, intensive reading refers to that very reading in which we try to get the answer which are related to the given questions. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
If a particular question is asked, we should try to come to that very paragraph in which the answer is there. So there we require intensive reading. And if general questions are there related to a given passage, yes, then we are required to go with extensivity.
Sir, it may be micro or
Yes, macro and macro.
Very good.
Very good.
सूक्ष्म है
So micro means सूक्ष्म
सूक्ष्म शिक्षा
and macro means overall. Yes. So intensive reading is required of some questions and extensive reading. Cumulative totality, the sense of totality. Extensive reading.
देखो स्कूल में
मोटा स्टूल होता है
A school means
स्कूल में बैठा हुआ कोई ऐसी
स्कूल मतलब मोटा
yes. Just a minute. So
Micro teaching,
extensive reading
वो अलग है.
is required in the case if we are talking about general theme, general matter which are given there. Suppose we have four options related to that very topic. Then one topic we have to choose. The given topic is related to article is related to that, and four topics are there, four options are there, and we have to choose one option. We can easily do it. But if the question is related to a particular paragraph, four paragraphs are there, then we have to read minutely. That is called intensive reading. Yes. So yes, extensive reading. What is skimming? Skimming term is very particular term. Yes. Try to skim cream from milk. There is a sentence. Journey. Yes. Try to skim cream from milk. Milk से cream को निकाल. So skimming, दौड़िए. Please, walk on the surface of some birds skim on the surface of water, and they choose what the small insects, and they fly. When flood comes in the rivers, Sahasra, you might have found that they
May I speak for 1 minute?
and they translate.
In intensive reading, sir, lexical meanings are written. In extensive reading, non-lexical meaning means the word that is not found in the dictionary. Suppose we are going to learn about a word about हम लोग का रहता है कि GOD full form of GOD generate operate and destroy. It is not written in the dictionary. It is interpreted by us by extending the idea. It is called non-lexical meaning. It is called non-lexical extending meaning.
Yes.
And whenever open-ended question is answered, that open-ended question answer, that extended meaning is written. In closed-ended question, the intended meaning is written. And in skimming, the question of what is the theme, what is the moral, what is the learning or teaching of the lesson, that is written by skimming. For skimming, we we have to read from top to bottom.
Yes.
ऊपर से नीचे तक उसको पढ़ना होगा तब स्क्रीन का आंसर आएगा थीम लिखने के लिए।
Very good.
हाउ के आंसर के लिए, व्हाई के आंसर के लिए। और स्कैनिंग जो है व्हाट वेन वेयर अल्टरनेटिव क्वेश्चन के लिए डायरेक्ट जैसे लिखा हुआ है कि व्हेन वाज फर्स्ट वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, हाउ हाइट लिखा है हाउ, तो उसका जो क्वेश्चन ईयर दिया हुआ है स्कैनिंग में तुरंत पता चल जाएगा।
Yes.
तो व्हाट वेन वेयर के आंसर के लिए हम खुद स्कैनिंग के सहारे कर लेते हैं। और एक और होता है हाउ का आंसर, हाउ के आंसर के लिए किया जाता है सूपिंग, SWOOP सूपिंग।
हाँ।
सूपिंग में भी टाइटल से लेकर के और नीचे तक टोटल को पढ़ करके और तब समझ के लिखना होता है। जैसे हाउ इज गॉड प्रिपेयर, मैंने बोली तो दही कैसे तैयार किया जाता है पूरा प्रोसेस बता दो। हाउ इज गॉड प्रिपेयर,
First word need to mean that not a very high temperature, high temperature means that medium temperature boil. Then after to add curd which containing bacteria. Then after to keep in proper temperature, neither very high nor very low. And after
after that we have not added anything.
we have added some
Wow.
sort of curd. Most of
It is called bat.
back. Plural.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, that has more of
But in process like in what happened, teacher has to teach in active voice, but the student has to